Guys, when you are doing something in your life that helps you and your children, don't listen to people. You understand? Don't to listen to people, because people are always talk. People are always comment. You understand? Are always comment. Even you are doing good or you are doing bad, especially you are doing bad, they are talkative. But when you are doing good, they are so also talking. You understand? But if you know that that thing, it will help your family or your children, it change your life, you can do what you do. You understand? Just because it's your life, guys. Because those people, they don't help you with anything. You understand? They don't help you with anything, and do things that you put food on the table, and then your children can survive. You understand? Just because, guys, don't listen. Sometimes don't listen to people, because people are always talking, guys. People are always commenting every time, and those people who are commenting about you, about your business, they don't help you with anything. You understand? They don't help you with anything in life.